In today's digital age, online advertising has become a crucial aspect of any successful marketing strategy. With millions of websites and ads vying for users' attention, it is essential to stand out from the crowd and capture their interest. One powerful tool that can significantly impact user behavior is color. The strategic use of colors in online advertising can evoke emotions, influence decision-making processes, and ultimately drive conversions. Understanding the psychology behind colors is key to unlocking their potential in online advertising campaigns. Different colors elicit specific emotional responses from viewers, which can be harnessed to create a desired outcome. Let's delve into the secret language of colors and explore how they can be effectively utilized in online advertising. Red, the color of urgency and excitement. Red is a vibrant color that grabs attention instantly. It evokes feelings of urgency, excitement, passion, and energy. In online advertising, red can be used strategically to encourage immediate action or highlight limited-time offers or sales promotions. For instance, using red call-to-action buttons such as "Buy Now" or "Limited-Time Offer" can create a sense of urgency among users and prompt them to take immediate action. Blue, trustworthiness and calmness. Blue is often associated with trustworthiness, reliability, serenity, and calmness. It conveys a sense of professionalism and stability that appeals especially well to financial institutions or healthcare providers. When designing landing pages or banners for these industries, advertisements using blue tones can help establish credibility while instilling confidence in potential customers. Yellow, optimism and attention-grabbing. Yellow signifies optimism, happiness, and warmth. It catches people's attention easily, making it an excellent choice for highlighting important information like discounts, sale offers, and new product launches. Yellow also creates a sense of positivity and encourages viewers to take action. By incorporating yellow elements into online ads, businesses can effectively capture users' attention and convey a sense of excitement about their offerings. Green, nature, health, and wealth. Green is often associated with nature, health, and wealth. It symbolizes growth, freshness, and harmony. It's an ideal color choice for brands promoting eco-friendly products or services, such as organic food stores or sustainable fashion lines. Utilizing green in online advertising campaigns can help establish a connection with environmentally conscious consumers while conveying a message of well-being and prosperity. Orange, creativity and confidence. Orange combines the energy of red with the cheerfulness of yellow. It represents creativity, confidence, and enthusiasm. This vibrant hue is particularly effective in grabbing attention and creating a sense of excitement around product launches or event promotions. Incorporating orange elements into online ads can evoke positive emotions while encouraging viewers to explore further or participate in events or activities promoted by the advertisement. Purple, luxury and sophistication. Purple has long been associated with royalty, luxury, and sophistication. It signifies elegance, mystery, and creativity. Incorporating purple tones into online advertisements for high-end products or services can help create an air of exclusivity and appeal to discerning customers who value quality and prestige. Black and white, simplicity and elegance. While not technically colors themselves, the use of black and white in design plays a crucial role in evoking specific emotions. Black conveys authority, power, and sophistication, while white symbolizes purity, simplicity, and cleanliness. Combining these two contrasting shades creates a visually striking effect that exudes elegance and minimalism. How to choose the right colors for your online ads. When selecting colors for your online advertising campaigns, it's essential to consider your brand identity, target audience, and campaign objectives. To ensure maximum effectiveness, follow these steps. Research your target audience. Understand your target audience's preferences, demographics, and psychographics to choose colors that resonate with them. Align with brand identity. Select colors that align with your brand's personality, values, and overall image. This will help create consistency and reinforce brand recognition. Consider context and culture. Different cultures associate different meanings with colors, so it's important to consider the context in which your ads will be displayed. Research cultural connotations of colors to avoid any unintended negative associations. Test and optimize. Colors can have varying effects on different audiences. Test various color combinations and monitor their impact on click-through rates, center, and conversion rates, TCR. Optimize your ads based on the data collected to achieve optimal results. In conclusion, the strategic use of colors in online advertising is a powerful tool for driving conversions. Understanding the psychology behind each color allows marketers to tap into users' emotions and influence their decision-making processes. By selecting the right colors for their advertisements, businesses can effectively capture attention, evoke desired emotional responses, and ultimately drive conversions. So, next time you craft an online ad, carefully consider the secret language of colors and unlock their potential to maximize your campaign's success.